Satan, hear ye the word of the Lord. It is written, to subvert a man in his cause, appointed by heaven, the Lord permitted it not. In the name of he who died and lay in the grave and arose triumphant on the third day, we speak into play Ibis. We speak to the oracles of Aturos, to the decisions of Orion and Mazzaroth, to the zodiacs, and we declare, get yourself and be broken in pieces. Assemble yourself from the east, north, south, and west, and be broken in pieces. Take your counsels in the regions of the sea, and it shall come to naught. Speak your word, and it shall not stand, for God is with us. Shine with a shout of fire.